Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class will continue learning block 4. Yes, the previous classes we learnt about the food groups, no children. Then later we learnt about the healthy and unhealthy foods, and also we learnt about in a family why do we eat different types of food as per the age group and also the work we do. We eat different types of food. We learn. So today again here we are with an interesting topic, that is food wastage. You can see the picture, children. So in the picture you can see that a food item is being thrown in the dustbin. Just you think, children, whether what is being done here is a correct thing or they are not supposed to do this. Just start thinking and let us get started to today's lesson, children. Aim of today's class is, we already know that many people do not get food to eat. Today we will learn to describe different ways to reduce wastage of food. So wasting food. So by now you all know the importance of food. Food gives us energy, food helps us to grow, food keeps us healthy, and you know that many people do not get proper food in the whole world. So in such a situation, are we supposed to waste the food? Yes, is it yes? No, children, we should not waste food. So let us learn how we can reduce the wastage of food. Yeah, children. So for today's class, you have only two keywords. See here, the first word is a very new term for you, compost, a mixture of soil and leftover food, fruit and vegetable peels. Some of you might have seen this or some of you might have heard, but it might be a new term for some children. Compost means in the soil we can throw the leftover food items and also the fruit and vegetable peels, so that it will change into compost, so that can be used for growing the plants, children. So compost, it will be a mixture of soil and also the fruit waste and vegetable waste. Pit means a wide and deep hole. We'll make a pit, and in that we have to throw these all the uh, food waste and also the vegetable and fruit peels, so that will be changed. It will mix with the soil and that can be used for growing the plants. You all know that plants are very, very important for us. Yes, as usual, we will have the activity. So for the activity, we have here some important colorful cards for you. So let us see, and just you will be in your wherever you are, you will be putting your thumbs up or thumb down as per the statement, children. See the first card you should see, children. First card says that throw away food that you don't like. So somebody gave you some food, you don't like it, so you have to throw it. If you think that it is right, you put your thumbs up, children. You think that it is not the right thing to throw the food, put your thumbs down. Yes. So next, the yellow card I am taking, children. See that take small portions of food, finish it and then take more. So if you like any food, see if it is your favorite food also, don't fill the plate with the so much amount of food. You take small portion, first you eat it, finish it and then take more. Is it the correct way? Then you put the thumbs up. If it is no, I should put all full and you have to I am unable to eat or what, I have to check, then you put your thumbs down. Yes, children, now you see the green card. Fill your plate with food so that there is always food left after you have finished eating. So fill your plate always with so much amount, whatever is there available, and you have to leave. So when you keep it so much, definitely we will not be able to eat completely. So leaving it, is it right or wrong? Put your thumbs up if you feel it is right, thumbs down if you feel it is not the correct way. Now stock fruit and vegetable and throw them away when they spoil. So much of fruits and vegetables bringing and keeping, and then they may get spoiled after 2-3 days, then throwing it. Is it the right way, children? So right way you think, put thumbs up. Is it wrong? You put your thumbs down. Very good. Now extra food, give the extra food to someone who needs it. So if somebody sometimes the food will be what we prepared becomes extra more, no children, so that should be given to somebody who needs it. Is it the right act or is it no, we should throw in the dustbin? Think and either you keep your thumbs up or thumbs down. Yes, children. So now all these 5 cards, which all you might have put thumbs up and thumbs down, you think, and let us continue the lesson so that you will understand whether what you have done is right or wrong. Let us watch a video as usual to understand the lesson better.
We must never waste food that we buy or cook. We can use the leftover food to make new dishes. We should buy fruits and vegetables in small amounts as they spoil very quickly. We should take only some food on our plates, finish it, and then take more.
Okay, now it's...
Yes, children, you might have observed the actions, and by now you might have understood for what all you are supposed to keep your thumbs up and what all you are supposed to keep the thumbs down. So what did you watch, children? Always you should take the right amount of food what you need. You finish it, and then if you feel like eating, you can take more. And also never buy so much of fruits, vegetables. You are not the one going to buy. You don't ask for that, also dumping and again wasting and throwing. And then what else, children? Even we can give for the, if suppose food is extra, it is at home, we should give to the needy people. Let us discuss more to understand the lesson better, children. So here is a question for you. What is similar between the actions written on the slips for which you gave a thumbs down? Yeah, see there. So in all the actions, wherever you have put the thumbs down, you understood that the food was wasted. When you take the plate, fill it the plate, and you leave it, finally you are unable to eat it, you throw in the dustbin, you are wasting the food. You are buying so many vegetables and fruits, and 2-3 days later it is getting spoiled, you are throwing, you are wasting the food. Yes, so certain things what we have done, again we can recollect what we have seen in this card. For what all we have put, the throw away the food left over and fill your plate. See, these all types of things are not good because we are wasting the food. Yes, children. What are the different ways in which we can avoid? So let me, what else can be done, children? What can be done to not to waste this food? So some we saw in the video. See here, we should not waste food. We should give it to the people who do not have enough food to eat. They might be doing at home, you might have observed. We should cook or buy only that much food which we need. Extra food preparing and throwing is a very bad habit, and we are wasting the food. We should buy small amounts of food so that it is used before it spoils. We should take small portions at a time, finish it and then take more so that we do not waste food. So this is a very, very important picture for you. You can write it down, or you can observe carefully, and you can understand how we know that how are we wasting the food. How can I avoid wasting? I should not waste food. What can I do? See, giving the extra food to people who need it. So some poor people will be there, somebody working in your home. So who need it, you can give that food. Using leftover food to make a new dish. So that was shown as a sandwich. Sometimes that will be, many times you might have seen at home, they will be doing that. Something is left out, they will do another new dish out of it. Do not buy or cook extra food. Cooking more food, buying more and wasting is a very, very bad thing, and we are wasting the food. You know the value of food, which we are not supposed to do that. These 3 things you have to remember, children. So let us continue. See, here is a question for you. Aarti's mother buries all spoiled foods in a pit in the garden. Later, she uses this garden soil to grow plants. Is this a good or bad practice? How? So this is what we learned as the keyword, compost pit. So this is a very, very good habit, children. Making, if you have a place in a garden place, or if you have a pot at home, just we have to throw the vegetable peel, fruit peel in the soil, and we should close it and leave it. So what will happen, this food waste will mix with the soil slowly, and it becomes the compost, and this compost can be used for growing the plants. So this is a good practice. This is a good practice because we are not wasting the food, and also that left out peels also we are utilizing for growing the plant. That is called as the compost pit, children. Composting and compost pit. It is a good practice as it uses up all the spoiled vegetables. When the rotten vegetables and fruits mix with the soil, they form something that is good for the plants. So about this detail you will be learning when you go to higher classes, but at least you know that the food waste and the fruit peel, vegetable peel can be thrown in a pit, so that, and we can close again with the soil, so that will be useful for growing the plants. So let us, as usual, we will see what is given in our content book, children. Yes, children. So content book, you take the page number, you all know that which page you have to find this lesson 4, food wastage. You see very nice pictures are given as usual. Observe the pictures carefully, children. We should not waste food. Many people do not have enough food to eat. Some foods like fruit and vegetables spoil quickly. We should buy less of them. This is what we were learning, no, children, from the beginning. We should take small servings that we can finish. See there, some of the spoiled uncooked food can be turned into compost. Compost is helpful for growing the plants. You see there, they are doing that only. The picture you can see there. We can use leftover food to make new food dishes. We can also give away the extra food to those who need them. These all we discussed. Giving to the needy people and taking less and finishing and then taking when you want. And also making the compost pits with the help of your parents, that can be done. And also buying less and cooking less, so that cooking only the enough quantity, buying the enough quantity, so that automatically we will not waste the food. So wasting food, because food is very very valuable and we are not supposed to waste food, because many people do not get it. Let us understand it better by doing this practice question, children. See there, fill in the blanks. We should always dash, finish or leave the food on our plate. So when something food is given to you, so always what it is good, it is good to finish it, no, children. So you can put a tick above and later you can see and copy the spelling on the line, children. B question. We should not waste or eat food because many people do not have food. So what? We should not waste food, no, children. So see the waste spelling and write it on the line. Second question, children. Gianna always makes a new dish from the leftover food, whereas her friend Gianna will always make a new dish, but her friend Liana throws it in the dustbin. Who wastes food? Who is wasting the food? Liana. So you can see Liana is wasting. Liana, I am ticking above the Liana spelling, you can see and write. Write one more way by which we can avoid wastage of food. So making new dishes, sandwich or some pakoda, something, or stuffing in the roti. Your parents might be doing that. So what else can be done? Always cooking only the enough quantity. So how to get the spellings, children? When you want to write it on your own, the content book. So your content book only you will find out the spelling, here only you will find out. You think can complete that second question, children. Now see the third question. Rama bought 15 different types of vegetables from the market. After a week, most of the vegetables spoiled. What could Rama have done to avoid this? So what she should do? Where is the answer, children, for this? Yes, where is the answer? You see there. We should buy less of them. See this here. We should. See. Here you see, children. We should buy this part. You see where I am coloring. So that part you read. That paragraph you read again, so that you will be able to find out the answer for this question. What Rama can do to avoid this, and you will complete these questions putting your own words by seeing the content book part. Even you have the compost meaning also, which we saw in the already we discussed. Fruits and vegetables, vegetable peels and waste mixed with the soil. Now let us take the, as usual, end of the lesson, we will take the worksheet. So we will say take this worksheet, children, write the date. Now see here, tick the correct action. First question, 4.4, food wastage we are doing. Tick the correct action. Throwing away the food, is it correct action? So we should not tick it, or you have to cross it. Next, using leftover food, very good. We have to find way to use it. So tick the second one, children. Taking extra food, no, children. So you don't tick, or it is put cross. Buying a lot of fruit together, that is also not good. Only less we have, because they will get spoiled quickly. Now let us see what is given as the second question. Fill in the box. Write what you will do with the leftover rice in the bowl. What you will do, children? Leftover rice is there. What can be done? Can we give to the needy people? So how to write that? So I am having the virtual pen. So you will write on your own. Give to needy. See, easy spellings only I am telling. So this can be, as usual, you can see your content book and you can write also. Give to needy people, or any other way. That rice can be made into fried rice. The rice can be you can change into curd rice and we can eat. So any other way also you can think and you can write. This is one of the answer. You can always give your own answer. Spellings, for clear spellings you should see the content book, children. Now write one more way you can avoid wasting food at home. How can you avoid wasting at food? Enough to be served. Take enough. Yes, enough to be served. Enough. Only you take what you want. Enough to be served. So you want to put in another way, same meaning. You can always write your own, children. Enough to be served. Always take only what you need and finish it and then take. So put it your own words and complete this. For spellings you can check your content book. Now write one way you can use the spoiled fruit at home. So what we can do is fruit has spoiled. So what we can do? We can, shall we throw in the compost pit? Yes. Write one way you can use the spoiled fruit at home. So you can go for composting. Only you can write composting you can do. Composting means throwing in the compost pit, or your own way you can write this also. Composting, it can be done, it can be given for composting, or you will segregate and give to the person who comes to collect the waste. They will do that. So proper way you dispose it, that is also very, very important. Write your own answers, think and give your own answers. So how to get the answers? As I have told you, all the spellings are there, whichever you need there, and also video which I am sending to you. Watch it again and complete this practice questions and also the workbook, and be ready for the next class, children. Bye bye, children.